Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do a sliding text effect on Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So here we are in Adobe Premiere Pro and we have our subject right here. So we're just going to put a text by pressing on that T button and then pressing it right here and then typing in, let's say water right there. And let's just set the color of this one into white. And let's just do it again. Let's just go for white on this one, white. And we're gonna expand this right here, and we can position it right here in the center, right there, or maybe more. Can we do it more? Yeah. Let's go and center it right here. So by the way, if you don't have Essential Graphics, it's simply right here in the Windows and click on Essential Graphics right here so that this would appear. And now once you have done this, then we can just expand this right here. Let's just expand this in the meantime. And then right here, so what we want to do is that we want to make this text right here slide in from this one until it goes into the middle and then goes out again right here. So that is what we're gonna do. So first, let's go and select our text and go into Effect Controls, and then we're gonna position the scale. We're gonna go for the position right here. We're gonna go and keyframe this because this is what we need. We don't really need the scale for this one because it's just a sliding text animation, but it's up to you if you want to add scale. So we're just going to go for position, and then we're going to position the text right here and here because it's not going to be seen yet. And I'm going to go and do it right here. So right there. And I want it to be by 5 frames or maybe 10 frames. When it's going 10 frames, it should be now here in the middle. So I'm just going to use Essential Graphics to make it in the center, just like that. And now it's here. We now have 2 keyframes right here. And then I'm going to go for 10 keyframes again. So to do that, we simply need to hold shift and then right arrow key, so that we need to do this 2 times because we need 10 frames and each time you do it is 5 frames. And now we have it right here. So now we have pressed it. Now all you have to do is drag this text right here in out of this one right here and make sure it's straight just like that. And now we have it just like that. And now let's see, and let's play it, and what the result is. It will be like just like that. But if you want it to stay in the middle, just like that for a period of time, then you can do it like this. So first, let's expand the keyframes right here by pressing the plus button right there. So we have this three keyframes. So I'm going to duplicate the middle one so that it would freeze right there. I'm just going to go and copy, and then I'm going to paste it right here. And I'm gonna go and make it like this one and see if that would be good. And as you can see, it's like that. And I want it to be longer, maybe like that. So the farther they are away from each other, the longer it is, just like that. But as you can see, it's not really smooth. So we're gonna make that smooth. And to do that, we have a lot of options. We can select all the keyframes, and then we can go and right click the keyframes and go into temporal interpolation and go into Auto Bezier. And when we play it, it will be now like this. It's much smoother, but it's not enough. Or we can go for ease in right here, ease in. And as you can see, it's like that. Or maybe it is too fast. Maybe I have to adjust the keyframes just like that. Maybe like this one right there. And let's see. And now it's like that. It's so much smoother right there. So you can just adjust the keyframe, or you can change the temporal interpolation. But what I like to do is go for Auto Bezier, and then I'm going to expand the position right here on the keyframes. I'm going to expand it. You can see the graph right here, right? So what I need to do is select these 2 middle one, and I want to go and drag this down right here so that it creates a graph just like that. I'm going to drag it all the way right there so it would create this graph. And the same thing for the other one. I'm going to go and drag this right there so that it would select, or it would make this graph right there. So when I play it, it would now be like this. And as you can see, it's like that. And that is what I like. But depending on your preference, then you can also adjust it. And then you can just cut this right here because it's unnecessarily long. You can use this by using the razor tool or pressing the C on your keyboard. And that is basically it on how you can make a sliding text effect on Adobe Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.